you filming yourself?
Yeah, it's a time lapse. Right.
You're doing 2 time lapse?
That's from my YouTube channel.
You have a YouTube channel?
YouTube.
Coffee that I have made, I'll get it for you.
Do you remember any of the lessons?
I want a Sunday kind of love, a love to last past Saturday night, and I'd like to know it's more than love at first sight. And I want a Sunday kind of love.
Okay. I finished early today. I'm so happy. Now I'm gonna head home. I think there's already traffic. That's like everything. Good morning. Oh my god. I look so tired, guys. There's like a massive snow outside. I'm going to work this morning. I'm wearing these pants and this sweater. Oh my god. Reality of living in Montreal. I parked myself in a pile of snow.
2 time lapse?
That's not my YouTube channel.
You have a YouTube channel?
Hello, I'm done with the shoot. Oh my god, it was my first time. I'm not saying that just because I'm working for them, but it was really good, and also like the staff was so nice. I got to take home 2 burgers, and I'm not gonna eat them because I got to eat 1 burger. I ate like the Aztec burger, was so good, and I got the fried chicken one and a classic burger for my boyfriend because I'm pretty sure I'm meeting up with him soon. And like making and doing one-on-one. I wanted to show you guys my yoga set that I got. Oh, we can't see anything. So it's a bra top, and I'm not supposed to be wearing a bra inside. Oh wow. Okay. So the first option, I feel like with this hair, it would suit most with this top. Alright guys, if you guys like bubblegum, my boyfriend recommends this. He drank the cotton candy right before this, and it tasted disgusting. But okay, I'm thinking of ordering Le Blossom. For now, that's the only thing that is catching my eyes. Is it Sazizu catching my eye? Alright guys, I got the chef's maki and then the